Given the nth term of a sequence, u subscript n equals to n raised to the power 3 minus 4n squared plus 3n minus 6. Find Roman figure 1, u1, Roman figure 2, u4. Solution. From the question, we're given u1 un equals to n cubed minus 4n squared plus 3n minus 6. Now I want to find u1. u1 simply means the first term, u1. To find u1, meaning that n equals to what? N equals to 1. So if n equals to 1, anywhere we see n in this expression, we put 1. So we have 1 raised to the power 3 minus 4 into 1 square plus 3 into 1, then minus 6. Now simplifying. 1 raised to the power 3, that is 1. Then 1 square is 1. 1 times 4, we have 4. So we have minus 4 here. Then plus 3 minus 6. 3 times 1 is 3. So 1 minus 4, that is minus 3. Then minus 3 plus 3, that is 0. So 0 minus 6, we have minus 6. That's for the u1. Now, we also have to find u2. We need to find the value of u2. So to find value of u2, this is Roman figure 1, and we have Roman figure 2. So u4, meaning n equals to 4. N equals to 4. So in this case, for us to find the value of u4, we are going to have n equals to 4. We substitute anywhere we see n, we put 4. So in that case, we have 4 raised to the power of what? 3 minus 4 into 4 squared, then plus 3 into 4 minus 6. So in this case, u4 is equal to what? Simplifying. 4 raised to the power of 3, that is 64. That's 4 times 4 times 4, that's 64. Then 4 raised to the power 2 is 16. 16 times 4, we also have 64. Now, we have 3 times 4, that is what? That's 12. Then minus 6. Now, 64 minus 64, that is 0. Then plus 12 minus 6, that is 6. That's u4. u4 equals to what? 0 plus 6. And that is equals to 6. Now, the value of u1 equals to minus 6. And the value of u4 equals to 6. That is the solution to the problem. Thank you.